Hey there YouTube, Crypto Force here again, bringing you another daily dose of crypto. And today I want to talk about Litecoin. Now I haven't really talked much about Litecoin because typically everybody already knows about Litecoin, and the price of it is typically in the range where a lot of people don't invest in it, typically because you can't get a whole lot of coins for the price, and that discourages a lot of people psychologically. Now, I'm not going to say plead the case, but I just want to explain a little bit about what Litecoin is very lightly, because no pun intended, because I think it's definitely worth a look to purchase at this price. And with that being said, do your own research and due diligence. But this is what I think of this coin. Now, Litecoin, where did it start? So Litecoin actually came out around 2011. Charlie Lee, which was an engineer at Google, he actually, was very interested in Bitcoin, started mining Bitcoin, and I think in an interview he said when he started mining it, it was around $10 a coin. I may be a little off on that, but I think that's what he said. And anyways, he messed around with several different, algorithms, several different ideas with coins before he came up with Litecoin. So this wasn't just a quick, let's put this coin together, put it on the market, and see what we can do with it. He actually was trying to make a legitimate coin that would actually serve a purpose because he was excited about the technology behind Bitcoin. Now, what differentiates Litecoin and Bitcoin, Bitcoin has 21 million total coins that will be circulated once all the mining is over. Now, Litecoins are going to have 84 million, and they were built similar, but they're on different algorithms. For instance, Bitcoin is on SHA-256, and Litecoin uses Script. Now, neither of those can be mined with a GPU miner, but you can mine those with ASIC miner. Now, the reason that Litecoin is going to have 4 times the amount of coins is also the same reason that Litecoin is 4 times faster than Bitcoin. So a typical transaction for Bitcoin that'll take 10 minutes to complete is the average, for a confirmation of payment or a complete transaction. That's only going to take 2.5 minutes for Litecoin, so it's quite a bit quicker. And remember, through hard forks and things of that nature, they can speed the transaction times up, and that's one of the reasons you see Bitcoin, having SegWits and hard forks, and they're coming out with Bitcoin Cash. They're trying to come up with different ideas to speed up the coin because of, obviously the popularity of the coin. Now you're having hundreds of thousands of transactions, if not millions of transactions a day. So that's a little detail about the technicals about Litecoin itself and where it came from. So, essentially what Litecoin is, it's just a peer-to-peer internet currency, and it enables instant near zero payments to anybody in the world. So that's essentially what it is in a simple term. So it is a currency. Now, one of the big things about Litecoin is it started to get a lot of exposure lately. Charlie Lee was I think he was the lead engineer previously on Coinbase, and I do not believe he holds that position any longer. Now, one of the interesting points about Charlie Lee, he sold all of his Litecoin right around the time this thing was spiking, and he put out a pretty interesting quote here. He put down, the Litecoin team has been hard at work working with companies to support Litecoin. Nothing to announce yet, but here's what's in the works. Now, remember, this is from December 20th of last year. This is not new. This is old. He said merchant processor, popular online wallet, goods trading platform, and one huge unexpected surprise. 2018 will be a good year for Litecoin. So there's been a lot of speculation about major partnerships, and I don't have a major partnership to tell you about. Sorry, all I can tell you is there's been rumors, with Facebook, Amazon, but those are all strictly rumors. There is nothing to back those up, so I'm not saying that they're partnering with any of those big companies. But as everybody knows, Charlie Lee did say he sold all of his Litecoin position to keep from having a conflict of interest. Now, we can only speculate on what that is, but I think Charlie Lee is a stand-up guy. I think Litecoin has a huge future. Litecoin's been called the little brother of Bitcoin. It's been called the silver to Bitcoin's gold. It's been called Satoshi Light. So, it's just like Charlie Lee's name here if you take a look on Twitter. But, I think there's a huge upside to Litecoin. I think, it'll have more of a presence in actually purchasing things in the future because of its speed. I think it's more well adapted to handle the transactions and the volume that we may see here in the future with cryptocurrency. So here's another little blurb I want to tell you about real quick. Alliant. So what Alliant is, it's a credit card processing and independent merchant service provider, and what they do is they help merchants have the ability to accept cryptocurrency payments. So they already have a couple cryptocurrencies on board, but right now they're testing Litecoin in the final stages, so that will be on here. But I do not believe that's the big news per se that that Litecoin's coming out with. I think this is just another little offshoot of news here that cryptocurrency is growing, and this company called Alliant, that seems to really be a good idea here, that they're helping bridge the gap for merchants to accept crypto payments. So that's pretty big stuff. If we take a look at the price of Litecoin, I mean, it is absolutely a fire sale right now compared to what it was. Now, I think it got up to almost $400 at its peak. I mean, this don't show what it peaked out at during the day, but 353 is what it actually closed at on this particular day, which was December 19th. And it's steadily fallen, and it's set right now at 176 bucks. So in my opinion, this is a good time to buy into it. And I'm not telling anybody to buy it. I'm just saying from my own opinion. But a lot of coins right now, altcoins, they're taking an absolute beating. Litecoin has taken a beating, but not near as bad as a lot of other coins. But I think Litecoin has the opportunity to where it could shoot back up with no problem with any big announcement. And I think we'd be foolish to think that in the future that the big corporations, the Facebooks, the Amazons, like was speculated, that they won't announce some form of partnership or even creating their own cryptocurrency. But there again, I'm not saying that they're partnering with Litecoin. Do not think that that's what I'm saying, because I'm not. I'm just saying in the future that I believe that they will either create their own or they will form partnerships or acceptance of some cryptocurrencies at some point in the future. Just wanted to share that with you guys, because I think Litecoin is one of the better deals out there right now that that I feel definitely is a good coin to hold a position in that won't lose a lot of value. And at this price, I think it's an extremely good buy. So with that being said, guys, hope you guys are doing great. If you guys like the video, please share, subscribe, and like. And as always, good luck trading, and Crypto Force signing out.